What if I told you a country can be slow, but still one of the best places to live? Hi, I'm Alpa. Welcome to Sweden, where life doesn't rush, it flows. Yes, things move slowly here. Appointments, decisions, processes, they take time. But this slowness is not broken. It's structured. It gives space for fairness, for thinking, for living. Healthcare isn't rushed. For small issues, you have to wait. But for emergencies, the system acts really fast. Systems don't differentiate between rich and poor. They care equally for everyone. Education is different here. Less pressure, more creativity. Students are encouraged to question, to think, to explore ideas. It's not just about marks, it's about understanding life. Travel here is calm, predictable. Trains arrive on time. Buses follow schedule. People trust the system. Even long journeys feel peaceful, through forests, lakes, and open skies. Swedish style is simple, but powerful. Neutral colors, clean designs, no need to show off. It reflects their mindset, just enough. Behind the calm surface, Sweden is highly innovative, from global companies to green technology. The country quietly builds the future. Not loud, but impactful. Young people here grow with independence. They move out early, make their own decisions, follow passion over pressure. There's freedom, but also responsibility. You'll often see something beautiful here. Older people walk slowly with their dogs beside them. Life doesn't rush them anymore. They enjoy small moments, fresh air, silence, companionship. It's peaceful and deeply human. Sweden may feel slow at first, but then you notice it's clean, organized, punctual, and quietly beautiful. In Sweden, life is not about moving fast. It's about moving right. On this channel, I'll show you real Sweden. Work, life, culture, and everything in between. So if you want content that actually matters, hit subscribe and be part of this journey with me. Hello!